Hi everyone, my name is Alexis Lyman and I chose Cepheus as my constellation. Cepheus is a circumpolar constellation, which means in the northern hemisphere it is visible all year round. To find Cepheus, we must first find Cassiopeia, which is the bright M in the sky. To find Cepheus from Cassiopeia, you find the shorter leg, and this will point to the brightest star in Cepheus. Now, like I said earlier, the brightest star is in the lower right-hand corner. This is the Alpha Cephei, which means the right forearm. The second brightest star is the Beta Cephei, which means the flock. The third brightest star is the Gamma Cephei, which means the shepherd. And the fourth brightest star is the Delta Cephei, which means the follower. For deep space objects, we first have the Wizard Nebula, which is an open cluster right here. The second is NGC 7142, that is another open cluster. The third is the Iris Nebula, it is an open cluster. And the fourth open cluster is NGC 7160. The story behind Cepheus is actually known as the king, and he is married to Cassiopeia, the queen. They are the king and queen of Ethiopia. Cassiopeia is a very vain woman who believes she is more beautiful than all the sea nymphs. This not only angered the sea nymphs, but it also angered Poseidon. In revenge, Poseidon sent a monster to Ethiopia to destroy all of Cepheus' land and his kingdom. Cepheus, all panicked now, went to an oracle for advice, and the oracle told him he needed to sacrifice his daughter. Cepheus, being the king, decided to sacrifice his daughter and tied her to a rock near the ocean in peace offering to Poseidon. Before this could happen, Hercules swooped in and saved Cepheus' daughter, and they ended up getting married. During the wedding, though, Cepheus' nephew, who was originally promised to Cepheus' daughter, showed up very angry and demanded the hand of Cepheus' daughter in marriage. There was a big fight after this, and Cepheus was turned to stone by Medusa's head. Now, because Cepheus is actually a child of one of Zeus's original loves, nymph Lo, Zeus decided to put him in the stars, and that is why he is now in the constellations. And that will conclude my constellation presentation. Thank you!